Well, we had a little rain here, guys, looks like, on Monday, August 11th, here about 1:15 in the afternoon, Eastern Daylight Time. Kind of like a movie set rain, isn't it? The mail just arrived. I hope our mail carrier threw that way in the back of that big mailbox down there. It's been raining off and on this morning. Paul's videoing. Well, he's interneting, actually. He's not videoing. We just downloaded the latest version of Skype for him.
Awesome. Jack Meredith.
Oh, yeah, you like to watch the Jack Meredith, yeah. Oh, he's very funny sometimes. And out back, of course, seeing as how we don't have two very closely separated weather systems. Here we are, guys.
Six 148957806.
Oh. Paul is trying to talk to his drug provider from the insurance stuff that he's on.
72554.
Well, he's giving a lot of information here. We probably ought to stop now. Dealing with medical benefits providers, drug benefits providers, Express Scripts. Puzzlement seems to be being expressed. Well, we can understand that, can't we?
You phoned me first.
There you go. There you go. One hand, not aware
I have insurance.
of what the other hand is doing.
I have insurance.
And very good insurance, too. I hope he's not going out because of the loss of signal on this new phone. This is what passes for high drama here, guys. So, I assumed that they were trying to sell you life insurance or some nonsense?
No, to have prescriptions mailed to me instead of me stopping off at the drugstore whenever I need them.
Yeah, just going down to Kroger's or wherever, yeah.
Right. And
okay.
This woman had no idea why they even bothered to call me.
Well, okay. Well, it's like one hand doesn't know what the other hand's doing.
Because she knows.
I'll take my pen back now. Thanks.
I've got stuff coming from Buffalo Lodging.
Now, how did the new phone work?
Fine.
I mean, you good signal.
Yeah.
Good signal even inside the house.
Right.
So it wasn't like you went over to the door because you weren't getting a good signal.
No, it was. They just sounded quiet.
Yeah, you just wanted to. Yeah, I understand. But the phone was getting a good signal inside the house.
Yeah.
Oh, great. I may have to get one of these bad boys.
I never lost signal. I could talk to them over here and over there.
Oh hell, well, I may just have to pop for the $38 and get me one of these bad boys.
So.
Well, good. So it's all squared away?
Yeah.
Excellent.
They have no idea why I was contacted by their people.
Well, they have the ideas. They're trying to sell shit.
Yeah, they wanted to set me up on the internet for ordering drugs.
Yeah. Well, they
have them delivered to the house.
Well, they got your date of birth, but they had that anyway. They were using it as a confirmation. So, I mean,
right.
I mean, they weren't asking you for anything they didn't already have.
No, and they know that I have insurance through out of Buffalo Lodging.
Well, yeah, right, from your job.
Right.
Right. Yeah. And damn good insurance too, by the way, guys.
So.
Well, good.
That was it.
All right. Another one of those phone encounters here. Yeah. Well, I went down and I put the clothes in the dryer for you.
Well, thank you.
Turned off the water. Started R2D2. R2D2 is the dehumidifier, by the way, guys. In the
but
basement.
It looks
in
like
the basement.
R2D2.
Well, no, it looks like R2D2. That's why I call it. I mean, it's the dehumidifier. It looks exactly like R2D2. So. R2D2, said we needed to run because it was 85% humidity now down there. So. Well, I wouldn't.
We just had a big rainstorm.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it given all the rain we've been having here. So there it is. All right.